it's a question of the toys you play with. I remember I had an erector set. That was made out of little pieces of metal, and you held it together with nuts and bolts. And I guess my parents taught me how to use a wrench and a pliers and a screwdriver when I was 3 or 4 years old. And the story is told. I hear this from my parents' friends, that when I was around 4 years old, my mother told one of their friends that I had come to her and I wanted an electric motor for my erector set. And she said, well, how did you find out about that? And I said, I read it in this book that comes with the erector set. So, I mean, my parents knew that I could recognize letters and words when I was pretty young, but I don't think they recognized that I was reading on my own for a while. And once you start reading on your own, then, you know, you get interested in things. Well, one of my parents